explaining what I'm doing with this. This is just supposed to be a natural glow, and I'm using it for a natural glow. I am not trying to tan any way, shape, or form. I just want a natural glow to my skin. So what we'll be doing is doing day 1, day 2, because on the back of the bottle it says that it will take a week to get a full transformation out of it. So that's what I will be doing on my channel. I just got home from summer school. I go to summer school because I have 2 classes. I didn't fail any classes this year. So, but I have math enhancement, and it just works on you not forgetting your math skills over the summer, and that's for 3 hours. And then the other class that I have is gym, and it's like taking an actual class but in the summertime, so it actually counts. So that's 3 hours too. So I'm here to show you the day 2 of the Glow Lotion. So I'll show the pictures in this video. Giving my review. So this is what happened. I started on Thursday with the Glow Lotion, but my mom had to go out of town and I forgot to pack it, so I missed 2 days of it. So I started again today, and today is Monday. So this is I'm gonna show you the results in a few minutes. Okay. So this is the results of my hand. So I just got done filming my review of a new workout equipment, but this is the last day, and I'm not sure that I like it because it didn't give me the glow that I was hoping for. It did give me some kind of glow, like it gave me a shine, but it didn't give me a glow that I actually wanted. So I probably will not be buying another tube of it, but I will definitely finish the rest of it.